Hello guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate add-ons on Minecraft. First things first, go to your app and then select add-ons. This video may be shorter, so I choose this add-ons. It's Mizuno 16 Craft Texture Pack. Now you can click this download resources pack, show ads. So it's downloaded. This is the add-ons or texture packs. Now you can click this install. Again, sources pack in your Minecraft. Okay, click OK. Once this pop up here, click just once. If you have your one Minecraft only, click always. If you have two Minecraft, click just once. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and click notification bell. Once you're in your Minecraft, as you see this Mizuno 16 craft. So I downloaded it. Click play in Minecraft and create new world. I'm naming this world as Pesta. Okay, and I'm going to be creative and easy. Advanced. So resources packs. I have only 4, but I want to activate this Mizuno 16 craft. I downloaded later. Once you activated it, go to experiments and click all experiments. Turn it on, then create, create, click this create button here to create new world. I'm also downloaded it. Now, as you can see, you get your texture pack or add-ons. I'm waiting for a minute. Be patient because now it's activated. Bye bye guys. See you next in next vid.